Hello everyone. So this is the second news from the Times of India, July 4th. The heading is DU College students to sell green ideas at global stage. With solutions for waste management and finding sustainable means for curbing stubble burning, one of the major causes of pollution in Delhi NCR. Delhi University's Ramjas College has become the only institution whose two projects have been selected to be showcased at Enactus World Group at San Juan, Puerto Rico in October. Enactus, a non-for-profit organization, allows students to create community empowerment projects using entrepreneurial actions. In the category of Race to Climate Action and Race to Find the Feed the Plant, the projects Swabun and Varak, respectively, that is, Race to Climate Action is Swabun and Race to Feed the Plant Varak, they were selected. The other two categories were Race to Rethink Plastic and Race to Four Oceans. Out of the 48 teams in the final across the country, 12 from India were selected for the World Cup. Explaining Project Swaban, which has been running for close to 18 months now, Kshitij, co-president of Enactus at Ramjas College, said, "Through this, we look at the problem of managing dry and wet waste in urban areas. We have employed potters in Uttamnagar to create 3-layered composters called Unnati, which are made of terracotta. These composters were placed in households across the city after tying up with RWAs. We sold quite a few them in Dwarika and Hoskas. The compost produced is used by household either for kitchen gardens or used at the community level. The compost is priced at Rs 1800. Keeping a very small margin, the amount is paid to the potters as an effort towards their empowerment," said Kshitij. The other project, Varak, which means golden leaf, is at the stage where students are working to make prototype. Khushi Berry, co-president, said, "Stubble burning is a problem for the city as well as farmers. We also combine this with the idea of food security. We will use stubble to make biodegradable plates, which we plan to take to school where they can be used in the canteens. As these plates would be ingrained with seeds, the project qualified for the Race to Feed the Plants category. We have knowledge partners who are already working on making biodegradable materials, but not with stubble. The stubble will be collected from farmers in Punjab and Haryana and brought to the processing units. We will also be incentivizing the farmers," said Kshitij, talking about how Varak could be scaled up. Dibraj Mukherjee, English professor at Ramjas, said, "It is an environmentally sustainable project. Unlike Odisha and other rice growing areas, Punjab and Haryana's, which are essentially wheat growing regions, have artificial rice. The hybrid rice stalks cannot be easily cut and requires machines. If subsidy is provided for threshing the stubble, it can be used to make a lot of things and work as an alternative to plastic straw." So this was all about the news, and thank you.